Recording him with the hiccups.
What?
I'm recording him with the hiccups. Hiccups.
Oh my goodness. My mom mentioned something about this.
Jack had him every day at 4 o'clock.
Well, then I also have them and shook my
I
whole
think
body.
so, yeah.
Oh, there they are. Runs in the family. Yeah.
He doesn't seem bothered by it.
No. Well, he's probably used to it.
Yeah. I'll tell you, Mommy wasn't used to it, that's for darn sure.